network no go good by this time. This network is likely not to be very okay at this moment, but we are going to do our best to make sure we manage it. So now we go share. I hope una dey hear my voice. Hi, David, I see you there. And beautiful people, great Biafrans. Share. Invite our people. Oh my God, today network, be like say no, not clear. It did not clear you. It not clear you. So, my people, make we share, so that our people will join us. Now say we get special. Now say we get special program to anchor today. Yes, it's low. I'm coming. I will start to talk a bit higher. And they come, please. Now say we get a very special program to do today. So endeavor to share, please. Make una share. Share. I will share myself because I want the message to go where it's supposed to go. To not just stay, share. Okay? 1 minute. Tivo viral. Okay, neighbor you jao. Tivo viral. Tivo viral. Okay, neighbor you jao. Tivo viral. Okay, neighbor you jao. Tivo viral. Brother Kenny, I see you there. What can happen? This network stay now. He said Gary and ass fish now be the best food for Nigeria now. Yeah, the network is not stable. Mazi, Lofa. It's not stable. I don't know what to do. Code there for go outside, go do one. You might wear jacket. If the network continue, I'll go outside. I'll wear jacket, go outside. Good evening. So, invite our Robo Biafran, Esan Biafran, Bini Biafran, invite all of them. He said thank you Gary and ass fish. Say that can be the best food for Urobola. God bless you. Miss you too. Kingston. Biafra. Ume. Thank you. Moti Joe. Thank you.
Tani Mola was 1 year old when he lost his father and his mother. The people around know, but they do not care for him. Nevertheless, God's time is the best. Santo, ahora.
Kokoro, 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 kokoro. Ogota.
Bekari you venana. Wali you cheplo. Wali koko. Opo poro iyorika. Kedie. Omo lo beru soke. Oga bo we bi sere. Ose we feri ye oni we feri. Ore ji we gbon orobo we.
Compliments. Obi Don. I see you there. Thank you very much. Compliments. No need for translation because today now Urobo Esa they need brokers.
Chérie, on vous souhaite une sensation de respiration pour profiter pleinement de la journée.
Thank you, my brother Nico. Àwọn akẹ́rù pé mọ Urobo, àwọn akẹ́rù pé. Wọ́n yí rẹ̀ ọwọ́kọ́wọ́kọ́ Urobo. Àwọn akẹ́rù pé mọ Urobo, àwọn akẹ́rù pé. Àwọn akẹ́rù pé mọ Urobo, àwọn akẹ́rù pé. Àwọn akẹ́rù pé. Sorry, I go press something. Yes, Nneka, yes, support. TSN. Thank you, Prince. Are they fine? Ameshi. Please share. For my Thank you, Matthew. Listen, Biafra, oh yeah. Today now for 3 languages in Biafra land. We'll play small, so that we're not going to waste too much time today. Thank you, Sister Osei. Sasui Edobo, yes. It's an Biafra land, yes, my love. I'm fine, Prince. Friday, advisor. Yes, our freedom is sure. Advert. Why advert dey come? Yes. Obidient. Yes. Support instant.
Land of the rising sun.
Thank you very much, my wonderful people, great Biafrans, lovers of freedom, people of goodwill all over the world. Like I don't promise early this year, which is on the 1st of January 2020. If my voice too low, Mona tell me, but we go manage and see today. Like I don't rightly tell you, I say maybe from next week everything goes change. We dey talk as we like, we dey vibrate as we like from next week. But today I don't want to fail. Based on say a new year we dey, as I don't rightly promise Biafrans. My name na Efe Uwanovo Abirobo Biafra. And this page when we follow na be Omote Ibiafra 2. Make you follow this page, like am, so that you go get notified, because every Tuesday we go dey come do this same thing when we want start this very day. So, and if you know they follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, Omote Ibiafra. If you know they follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter Omote Biafra. And if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel Omote Biafra. The link now pinned for there. So, and today broadcast we Seki Jarif. Today broadcast now be Urobo, Esan and Bini Biafra. Oh yeah. So I want to talk to my people. These three languages nowadays I be they speak among the Biafra language. I wish I go fit speak Efik. I wish I go fit speak Calabar. I wish I go fit speak Ijo. I wish I go fit speak Igbo. I wish I go fit speak Inokwane language. I wish I go fit speak in all these languages. But these are the languages when I fit speak among the Biafra languages. And I wish and I love to use and take work for Biafra. That is why I can't use and take I can't volunteer myself. Say I go to use these three languages till they broadcast, they give Biafrans every Tuesday to stay sanitize our people. Not be the ones when already they aware of Biafra. No, I won't use until they sanitize the ones, or use until they win the ones when be say they never know about Biafra, or they don't know the purpose and why we dey fight for this Biafra. So if you come across this video as a Biafra, you have to share. It not me say you dey hear the language or you know they hear the language. But before we go straight to this very topic of today, when I want to talk, so I want quickly send a small message, give our people. I want quickly address one matter from this before we will start this broadcast today, because now beginning of the year, and I want make all these things they are as in they very well before we will start the year. We don't want some kind mistake when we do in the 2019, 2020, when we cause it doing in the year 2021. That is why I would love to quickly address Biafra with this small write-up when we say, all right, so these things when they do so, now the things when we say, I take upon myself, oh, nobody send me as a Biafra, as I will look that talk, he say, whatever you have to do for Biafra positively, you do it. Any initiative where you know say you get to take support Biafra struggle, when you make hasten the struggle, he say make you do it. So I can't take upon myself as a Biafra activist in the year this 2021 to encourage my people, say make them not do some certain things when concerning as a day like this now, as we day here now, you go see some people now, they go start to come now. Esan is not Biafra, Bini is not Biafra, Urobo is not Biafra. This kind of people who are ignorant of what we they do, una go leave them to people like me, people like us, to address their matter. Especially when your name now, for example, your name now Okon, and you can't see say this person they tell you say Urobo is not Biafra. Don't respond to them, leave them. I go address the person on my own. Now me they anchor the brokers. If your name na Chukudi, and you can't see Esan name come say Esan is not Biafra, don't address the person, don't reply the person, leave am. If I see the comment, I go address the person. If you dey for here, you come from Ikwere, then you can't see Bini name, he say Bini is not Biafra. No, you know, reply the person, leave the person to me when be the anchorer. I go address the person matter. And also, if you dey use Biafra flag or Biafra logo or our supreme leader logo, any platform where you reach, they know they talk about Biafra, then they do their own thing. No insult them, no comment badly, no even give your opinion. If the thing, as in, no insult them, no attack them. If the thing interests you, wetin that person dey talk, go to that place, comment positively because of who you represent, because of the person picture wey you carry for your DP, because of the flag wey you carry for DP. If you dey enjoy the program, even if whatever program it is, because as it is today, we dey for social media. It is social media because we dey fight for Biafra struggle. E no go make us chase other people away from whatever social life they choose to live. Biafra, as a Biafra, we have our own community on social media, and we go protect and guide our community jealously. No go throw stone give anybody, being it they support or they no dey support o. So far make the person no dey speak against Biafra. So far make the person no dey attack Biafra. So far make the person no dey attack our supreme leader. But say the person dey do him own thing. If he choose to naked o, he choose to fly o, he choose to do saga o, so far that name Biafra no mention am. So far that name IPOB no mention am. So far that name Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no mention am. Don't go there to attack, especially when you have our Biafran flag on your DP. And if as a genuine Biafran, you see anybody when you go use Biafran flag or Mazi Nnamdi Kanu picture on his DP, go they attack people when they do their own thing. As a good Biafran, you have to attack that person back. You have to correct that person. Say not be waiting the send and believe. Because recently, yesterday when they do broadcast, when I see a person put Biafran flag, they do what they do for that place. Some of these people are DSS. Some of these people are agents of the zoo. They do all those things so that these people go they talk say these Biafran people say we not go stay on a lay, we not near on now go they find person, all those kind of things. So if you are a genuine Biafran, you come across any of these rubbish comments on people that are minding their business, go after that person. Clarify the person who get that place. Say this person is not a Biafran, probably is a DSS or a Nigerian government agent to bring diversity, to bring confusion, to bring all these things come for this place. Let people get their freedom of whatever they do for that place. They are Biafran, yes, they choose not to speak about Biafra, that is their business. And little, we will gradually win these people to ourselves by supporting them positively with comments. I don't say you should go there and dash them money or do anything. If you wish, if you so love, say what they do, they interest you as a man, as a woman. Some of them are motivational speakers, some of them are nudists, some of them are all manner of things. If you cannot support them positively, gently leave there, not to create more enmity for us, not to create more confusion for everywhere. There are a lot of them who love Biafra, but they are scared to say it. There are a lot of them who love what we are doing, but they don't know how to come about it. So you let them be, let them do their thing, so that we too will be the activists. We no go they fight unnecessary people, because as it is, even in this year 2021, there are people I cannot mention my name with. So if una go drag unnecessary fight come, I cannot mention my name with my mouth to mention some people name. Una fit cut us say, if this thing they happen, you not talk put. I will not talk put. Apart from Nigerian government, apart from the traditional rulers wey be evil, apart from the people who does not want us to see Biafra, apart from the obvious saboteur who is fighting us day and night, when be say they be former POB member or all those things, I will never go after any individual. If he sit down say in a Chris girl, he sit down they say Biafra this one, I will not go after anybody. And for the fact say I not go after any individual when be say he not reach the sleepers when me take march for ground as a Biafran activist, does not give anybody room to misbehave, because anytime can be 6 o'clock for anybody. So Biafrans, I want to help us, those of us when be Biafran activists, for us to accomplish this very talk when they talk. So stay your lane, mind your business, do your thing as a Biafrans. We are in a struggle. Let's do our thing. Let them do their thing. If the day when it go down on them, no be person go tell them. Just like me, nobody come force me for us. It get done on me, and I came out just like every other people. It get done on them. Sister Faith today, all of us know she was once a activist for advocation. She was advocating for the betterment of Nigeria. But when it get done on her, and they use her, they make reference because she is #1 example for me today. when it get done on her, today she's at the forefront. So make we mind our business so that others go still learn to mind their business. Then we respect each other territory for the media. So thank you very much, my great Biafrans, lovers of freedom, people of goodwill all over the world. I love you so much. So now then we will come end to speak my English. Those of us who know the year Yoruba, we know the year Ishan, we know the year Bini. Make una pardon us for today. And make my Igodomigo do Biafrans, we already they awoken. When go hear me they address as Bini and Ishan. May they not get angry. This is how I choose to do it. Because una already they awoken. We have to go for the people who have we never know wetin they happen, or when no one listen to wetin they happen. You might address them as Igodomigo, they might not accept it. We might address them with another name, they may not accept it. Now is how to seek their attention. And I want to quickly plead with my Biafrans. As it is today, a lot of people, when they get what do they call them, traffic on media, now the activities when they do, how as in when they get traffic, now how they take the day, as in the things when they do. I'm a woman, I never marry, I'm a single. I volunteer my life to work for Biafra. There are some certain things when I go do, not before anything. Now for me to attract these people to come listen to that message, do you know, the moment I not condemn me, or I not say I won't come social media called the naked, or no. There are some things I will do, don't condemn me. There are some things when I don't discover, say, if they drag some, all this efule them, attention, they can't listen to the message. I'm ready to do anything for Biafra. So you leave me, pardon me, support me in whatever thing will be positive thing to Biafra. Because in this year 2021, we are going to do everything possible to make sure, say, our people, they are aware of the things we want before us as a people. So I need una support, I need everything, una guidance. If there are things when I do, when I not do right, gently put the comment there. I will go through the comment and I go retrieve my step, I go learn, and we go amend things and we go move on. So thank you very much, great Biafrans, lovers of freedom, people of goodwill all over the world. God Almighty, and I go bless every one of us. We don't take upon ourselves to take fight for this struggle genuinely. We don't fight for this struggle to this level when we did today. Now, I'm going to listen. Osano blue, where Choko Kika Biama Tamuno. Now, I go bless every one of us. Our Supreme Damazuna Dikanu, the Ogidigbo, one of Biafra. God go bless her for the great work we don't take upon himself. Our people when they broadcast for Radio Biafra, Mazi Peters, Mazaloze, Mazi Kechuko Noah, Mazi Jonathan, Mazi Obialo, Owa Chineke, all of them, by Totona, and God Almighty, now go bless every one of them. And together we shall restore a place when we will call a home. Why me Robo Wado, why me Soko Wado, why me Jo, why me Biafra Kuyo Bio Tapona, why Kuyo Bi Wado, Owa Nana, Waruvu Nana, Umu Tutuno. Mi fo bawore o wona nu wa mi robo wana binya ekero pa ekwakwa ijobi ovia ovoto robo kobe ora na aba bivi egba orare aba bivi enwe orare tegbaware ti enwe aware ti roro aware kiroro aware aikwi na government in Nigeria na amiara enure ko bo wa na ara emu robo uvo avare ebinyo ovoto robo obi di avare emu robo yutu abake travel po orere asofa abanya iruo sasa koyo avare emu robo go survive na obi bi empowerment evolve e government ikavare ihwo irigo jowo igora buebi yo kedikede ihwo irigo ogberi kedikede oye ogberi aye owo increase weje biko unwemi nana mimure ovovo nana oyu unwemi IPOB under the leadership Mazi Nnamdi Kanu oyo propagate oya propagate unwemi redemption unwemi freedom unwemi abakujo bi kada de free abakede yere ki ko be wo yere ovojuwu abaji ovoji rie tetie ni ebe Bible ta tetie ye and let your kingdom come as it is in heaven wamle abare ovotorobo oveti over Africa abare roni abade wu oyara kada pe ojuwu nyari ovie ejo ovojuwu ogene promise abare ovi Bible otani let your kingdom come on earth oyara emi IPOB indigenous people of Biafra oyara move yo na abakadabo oyara move yo ababo vo abare ni abakasa ngora abakasa le kwakwa ijobi abakese lu within egba abare abakasa restore asa okaja kebo ojuwu wami abai tuovo ikpi Jehovah witness or inam I read the story Bible wami picture ituovo na I maybe yo veti na wada toro oyibo etie yo wavoro oyibo ovi picture na odoju adanya snap ire yere ejo ovi France etine etie yo wa wada pe London etie yo wa wada pe Italy etie yo wa I picture na ikwi yibo ayero ka akpo na nare wamlere na ovi Nigeria as a whole already one of the largest Ikwe produce ofugbo Ikwe Igbo si oil and gas wa mere na ni region yamare oima de most wretched region yamare oil job opportunity eva region yamare oil youth to koima youth na youth to bo esavare pe school work na youth ava na bi ro ba pe school akweyo bi na ngoma bi court akweyo bi ngoma bi yahoo metani yahoo yo vi re oda jano you know wo keseji luwe mekaji nero woni organize wo bless you wa but ava need the society ava can be build sena na ava kanya jo ki in next generation to come bani obidio ose avare I live I jere mama po ava akpo na no na ava mi mami akpo ava mi avenue ava to bori ni ava murubo ava mi soko ava mi avenue na weje biko otai Biafra na ovoto na weje biko engoma bijo omini ni almost to like una di kanure supreme davare re omini almost to like IPOB re but unweri amure unweri redemption unweri freedom oya va kana bi kero oya va ka focus yo oya va ka nwe ava yo excuse me oya va ka move ava yo sene ni ava na bi kero wada na bi mlena wa emu robo wana bi kero ovi particular ethnicity ihu itu ovo to in Nigeria I marginalize ava kwejobi obomevo wana na emu robo me obe oviare oke nwa avlere okirire otana na nwurere wadanye asaiti Kwara state nule na wede toveti ihu Yoruba ijeti IG Yoruba ogba etu of emu robo oto Yoruba da wada wari memeti ne na efesi wanowo oto Yoruba da biemese Ondo state ovumoru oya da bieme mi rie obe awo yere oveti Kwara state oto Yoruba but wode peti nune na aremia fiki obe soro na aremia fiki de ni icon karaye ikwona na esi kwi fulani na icon karaye and ikwona na I migrate re ovo kyovo ikwi Yoruba wo sirani kete wagono kwaba akwijobibi yo aba ka yo oke owawo re aba bo ko wa oto owawo mu megwa me ekwakwa yobi tunwe ekwakwa yobi kede soro owabi gwono na live in peace and harmony oda diotoye aba ka ngoro omo maware so gradually ememera I extend the concrete natural obasarare oye soro no woda mleni woda pe community bebu voto robo na I nwikokwe ikwovo ikwikwo na ikwesi Fulani esmeni onana di Igbo esmeni re onana di Yoruba esmeni re onana di Ijo esmeni onana di efik esmeni ona di edo esmeni di esaye Fulani esmeni wada ni world record world terrorist record emurobome ikwi Fulani esmeni na I the fourth most terrorist group of Otakmo na Ijobi. Wanya check the world record. I the most fourth. I know any position any ovi ikwo inyawo kwimitete bere aye ayomlevu bere vuraye anmomo na nure aji kwomo na I rate the fourth most terrorist group of Otakmo na. The four terrorist group na over Sawe, of America, of UK, of Ghana, of Cotonou, of Nigeria, of Chad, of Mali, Tivoava, of Nigeria. And in Nigeria na oyatani where omurobo uva. Ayatani where ayatani where data or the war. Oya soro miwa vowa kujo binune nani. Ihona na eso deraye ifulani amini emojo jovi. Ke okwovovo ovoto in Nigeria. Womleni ove okwovovo o forest nya dia ejo ikwona na esi Fulani esmen na Fulani na I avoid the vi forest wakapo vi forest wana amni Yoruba esmen ovi forest ejo wakapo vi ewa ovi forest womi Igbo esmen ovi forest ejo wakamne fik esme ovi forest ejo wakamni ijo esme ovi forest ejo wakamni ikwovo esi Fulani esme ayovo idi vitoro ovi forest osoro na mi anyave eni avarekwe anyave inyovo avarekwe aire piraye aire kemukemu and the IV power ogadiraye fikidie ayi police ayi army ayi navy ayi president ayi vice president and the social cultural group iraye si miyeti ala ayi the #1 social cultural group ovoto in Nigeria ayi ovie okpako esi Sultan of Sokoto ayi vegba ivi dominion edesi dominion 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 ye egba ihuyibo say dominion ye egba as in authority egba over Ikwijobi ovoto in Nigeria including the Araimi Urubu ovoto ovetina oisoro ababotani unweri Biafra unweri apiobijena oyi unweri redemption unweri ojuwu unweri abakwijobi kawo nwia kugbe asihwo and Biafra na nwia yona ove muvovo ovo lui ovo pare Igbo supremacy ejo oluo muvovo ovo pa Igbo supremacy Biafra dare akami Robo nation Biafra dare akamle donation Biafra dare akamle Isha nation akamle Soko nation akamle John nation ave kwijo bi kada Yoruba po amare ko bi wa wonu ne na botani regional control abatani less restructure oye obe ibe ese oshana esi odumego ojuku okan agitate yo tai Biafra na raji agitate yo na in 1967 and besemiki pobaro that total more o dey Biafra na ara wona mi na ara emi Biafra but o man revive o dena o man kayo dena oye omi ijo kayo dena o dena odi Ikwigbo odemwe odena na rere wada kero in Nigeria media I misinform owa oya go misinform owa in 1967 oyo wa Ikwijobi o ara Ikwijobi wo gbugbe ara wo committee genocide ara committee against Ikwigbo wada mle okenana voke onwa vlere ayi kwovo o take opo maraye awo onwori Ikwijobi ayi moyo obaro nune na ayi ro Ikwi Yoruba womle nune na wonye Yoruba one voice wonyo nune na Ikwi middle beti Ikwijobi rowore anwona na avare emurobo avakasa de obukore avami Soko avakasa de obuko avami Edo avakasa de obuko avaka do everything possible obo agbara tere abe support I struggle na seneni I freedom na ofobore gbani okenyara be ko baba go delay ko bi Fulani won implement I law raye I won implement I law raye I won implement roka aka football lu pata seneni football lu re bese okay onyo voraye owo noti abe to vote tani emomo oviomo agege yovi I deputy senate oviomo agege wo me vovo le kavare o yes member I association o yes member yova ove mo vovo kese lu kavare ko be kwipote I delta state under siege na ko ke die oviomo agege selu ove mo vovo kese lu mani ikwo ile gba na I control na ijobi na obo as in aye kwi Ifulani na Nigeria ovie ijobi ovoto in Nigeria so okay a mistake I make in 1967 I misinform avare I make it okay nana bani avada ngorongore nana avai kan enjoy regi avada ngorongore nana avada urobo nation avakada post avakada as in pay I tax into federal government osha igbo okajanya di police vote robo ejo osha efiki okanya di police vote robo ejo osha ibini okanya di police vote robo ejo ko baba nu na ni wada to ve agbara iti na owo tugeli iti na wakada nyo the Inspector General of Police in Ugeli is Odereye Yusuf Mohammedi but Biafra dare wakanyo kaita yena wakanyo kabe yena Biafra dare abada Inspector General ovi oto Ugeli Odereye kadie afokogene or ogene luese or otobore or ogene kere oyara kede nyu kemu aravori resources yoda die wayara memu oda di oye ko ye waka di pedi o oda di ikwe kada produce aeroplane o ikada produce motor coke or anything about the phone tax oyara kada pay to federal government araimu ogbe kada mana bi manage ekwakwa eva ijobi aravori ovoto avare weje biko argue okenana aravori na won need the work of love okovovo on a the matter of love okovovo on a matter I freedom we be safety where ovio shovovo ocheko kaba okovovo otana na metana fikini egwono mi roki emurobo me and mi gwono ni ode orobo emurobo ava na be enlarge avaka be populated avada be good society ko bo wana no na be good hospital ijere ero urupe ero nothing is good to bo ero dey fiko yina na ikwito bo to ga be ko to bo wie mo anara be wie mo bu ebu ki mavo irobo nation kawo dey populated ki mavo akada onyo de avare ki mavo avaka wo excel over pono na ko bi kwiche kowo ese weje na bi murupe na bi wonotana na ne ekwakwa ijobi na ovoto na ni I freedom yavare oyara ngona biyo okamo to love okovovo pesi working on I freedom ni check it tai in Nigeria yo vikewe ejo check it tai obejo biata na oduyota uyota oika kewe nwe oho viruru wokawo na bi wororo tana na ifioto or the support where what you buy IPOB under leadership imazina the Kanu arabo ngoro what are the tani wo like you be IPOB but we go no na free of Nigeria and womi Biafra lobo wo keselwe arabo get Biafra wo attack IPOB wo attack na the Kanu bani ayi mi initiative na na of okay abana na arabo obe ekwakwa ijobi or obia and the leader imagine the Canada kwakari ikwi Nigeria na otewe bani obi haraye akari obialu eni omogbogbo ona do boy jane meti ne meji attack in Nigeria what get annoyed what you me with you Bani ava bi wo ti oye akade no be alu avare no dara o ma me o vi France e mu robo mi vi opportunity jo bi mi ko yere mama apo but mi je o ta wa o je da me o suro ni mi wo re okinana mi wo gonoju unwe na re o wa fu jo bi ogene ekevi yoke emu robo eje o vota akpona ogene kevi yoko wa ogene ka ko wa o vi roro ara gono na be wo no tana na fi sene ni die ara wo ru magbe e struggle na wa kero sa toki akwijo bi I mean emoyo yoriki ara emu robo wakada nyo vunu raye ni oye ovi Delta State belong to Jigawa emu vovo kavia ovo political elite kide soro ni woju nyo edovoni akuwo vo challenge raye akuwo vo shoju ja challenge raye ara e na naiji challenge raye ni I read right akawata ni e oye ovi Delta State ni belong to Jigawa Ibabo taro any children of God suffer violence and violence of we take it by force je otana mi ni ovurobo adata ni violence ani ikwodenu we mu ko bi kwifula ni ruenu na o kwipo awo emu ijobi awo hospital general of Delta State verse ejena ani what obelu na de gano ani ku ivu miore wo challenge raye o tani on ekwakwana na o avare wa bi right o wakawo mia emi avare o yes children of God suffer violence and violence na ovu o take it by force wakobiro mamo ogene bi yokemu robo ogene bi yokemi robi Biafra ogene bi yokemi soko Biafra ogene bi yoku wakwiyobi o makugbe o yara kawo re iwon ya asa arake sunwe ode wakobiro mamo. Thank you very much wakobiro, thank you so much. So wa we say my iviedo nuzomo iviedo Biafra nuzomo ivigodo migodo ividu Biafra wa ya wa we say we iyobo fe wa ewu we eme agitation na no roto na wa dege we iya we emi mana as in emi mana emi dana da ukototo egeni no na da sueni ana kototo ana afia ifua wadege we emi Nigeria emi situation in Nigeria ogbera emi no koto no as in ogro okakabo nwa gbera keke no sene ogi logo na rifiana emi no se no na logo na rifiana we mane emani ni rioja ekene elephant emi na ti elephant o eni nebotie elephant ekene elephant evana gbina ekene ni evana gbina ma oe abi ihun nebotie grass ihun no roto mana o sofae o sie ni mana ge emaya fefefe ni mado emi no sie ni mana need a freedom e Biafra because onyopa oye option no ke nima ugage na emi ya fefefe no sununa nia o man need no love na the Kanu ni ate a leader indigenous people of Biafra IPOB o man need no love o man need no love Igbo when we no see because a freedom iwe o gbinaji o man need no ma pa do imi awe wa o man need no ma pa try no convince we ugagele dege we emi ya fefefe no sunu rote Nigeria e benefit mani viedo ugage na eti ya gbima kan o ti ya gbima ozan o emi no se ni na ta we iwe emi viedo me kakabo sayo o si ni na volunteer igbeme we upona igi afe ko ya gun wa emi no buka sunu we no gbera aka fi pe no bun we no gbera but emi ya fefefe zeve owu we emi ni vie Fulani women in Nigeria and a traditional ruler segima inyagwan a politician segima inyagwan also imana we emi ni ma and the men here stop anybody no magwan we if we Fulani oppressing maya gbelimawa maya ye stop maya attacking ya but only ma say no hiamu wo because mama attack we individually because as individually as the people maniviedo magbenaji ugage na emani mego irinya increase on daily basis inya get richer on daily basis where emani mego emani poor inya be dey poorer on daily basis David Maheya do de as in Maheya do de popular de Maheya do boom mani ivie do David the community Maheya escalate Maheya do he compete internationally and locally imamana meti imamana ave a society no dey convenience for me convenience for a mani vie do Italy opa Maheya explore or Germany opa Maheya explore mame keni makere ni matie home nebo tie home ekenoke keni Maheya explore ele na hin but iya make so uncomfortable ke mani bu also una bege we ugage the largest number oge mani le ode radie webo mani vie dono agui masimio the largest number mani lode gadie webo mani vie dono owa a tribe owe ro no hia gwi masimie a tribe owe nya ma oda yi owe nia emi owe nia wa be unia specialize iya eme liver ni ma me ni ma ya lai ode iya eso wa be ma oda yi isanya wa be wodo eso yawo nya wa be wodo eso emu nya wa be mu wodo eso nya wa be gboni san so ona do na megwe iya na do davati ma ya fe ma gi ne wen no bi ma a survivor of the survivor of the fittest ma ya gije and mi mama ugage France agaye video mani vie do egare mana Italy agaye even in Nigeria vie mani vie do egare mana Germany agaye video mani vie do egare mana then the Maheya created convenience environment evo no hela mani ma ni egbima we ni mani vie do Maheya supported freedom Biafra IPOB mure unwe redemption unwe freedom wabe ewe ebe no one time severio or we let your kingdom come as it is in heaven wabege mani bunije church mame Bible story a Bible story ni o iya gbele emi garden mose iya gbene yo ugage we ya wa wario by warie iwa to take Jesus Christ in right hand side iwa re obe agoboge iwa wuro obe left hand side oge my brother my sister manivie do nuzomo ebe di oni oje iya na maje ariobosa ya mwe pishonare iya maje ariobosa ebe ni talije o miere benini beni France je o miere benini beni America je o miere benini beni Germany je o miere benini o mani di nuka wune uke ya mie ariobo uke ya live agnona ni amugu ebe pishona Emara gbonane no live a life in you when me a picture ni agbon when me a picture ni emarone why the Nigerian government confuse him seven years confuse him in the 1967 or a political leader him confuse him or a traditional ruler him so why he confuse him he didn't manipulate in 1967 because he had bunya only retain power he had bunya only get richer ni fly America ni fly London ni fly here he leze he desert a plane in you he private jet and yame why can you mislead one 7 years can you mislead him mislead Averima in the 1967 wagi manage generation now because Averima in 1967 yama leze e bodak paregeni in the year 1960 e boyakpa upa yaro ode yaro emi ya fefefe yaro iya yame company iya ni bunje suku iya emi ya fefefe ya de okay o ma gebe ni magigina na uga gwali ma be emi no magba obi ma anagimio uga gwali ma ni rioja akela webo obi ma anagimio uga gwali ma ni take o ma na rift na ya survive agbona obi ma na ya mio why ge governor this evil why ge senator this evil why ge maro paropa ni re as a power holders ni ya deceive ma kebe ni ya deceive Averima in 1967 ni Mario Bokugbe ni maya mwe eme Biafra na ni ma mwese uga ge eme Biafra na eni Biafra evigbo omwere e Biafra makahin best akedo miewe in akedo create Nigeria in Nigeria in 1914 ya create Nigeria e ma soro ni die Nigeria 1914 that is about how many years ago 100 years ago abi 100 something years ago Nigeria in 1914 ya create Nigeria eme sọ̀rọ̀ ní díẹ̀ Nigeria ema ní díẹ̀ Nigeria ni neya de me ni ara akin ake create Nigeria o ma no mo no de gbe revive ni Biafra ovi jono and waga gave na we ema so we evi gbo we ni ari Biafra ni akin we ni ari Biafra ni akin but ovi jo mo ni Biafra re but aga tell me south here na evi jo in are south aga brosto Biafra we na na mo a credit no ma no de gbe mo ni na re evi jo akin mo na ye mo ni evi gbo no na ege ni ma heya hwegbima ni ma heya gbinma because ugange na in Nigeria 3 region no yana tie Wazobia ni na a region in ma belong or at eastern region in at old eastern region but eastern region because there is no thing like old eastern region I mean old western region I mean old northern region they will not say na hena do I mean old eastern region what's in a video that is a tactics not here both divide and rule na ya guy ma na make na netinya make na de etinya make na reduce ni make na conquer him ni make na oppress him ni make na do take ye eminos lo pa ya wima mani vie do ni make na do mwe igwe side ni ya jewodo uga ga na o me ko ba ni atie Kwara state oto Yoruba eno but uga sevani emia ogireva demia no reva emia Yoruba emia Irigbo emia Irijo emia Efik emia Edo emia Lopa emia re Fulani orevani uga ge oto Edo ya fefefe umemie Igbo Fulani revani de umemie Yoruba Fulani de umemie Yoruba Fulani reva umemie Ijo Fulani reva de Fulani no mi revani o e Fulani ensme de revo no emie ve Nigeria ne ni ale vi yuwo ha ni na ege aviji mari jugbo ni ya ege ave timani hori jugbo ni ya repia iya gbemo wa we kunya iya va kunya iya momo ladia amie ewo ropa no to egbe kini vote Nigeria ni ugaga ivie do no zomo ivie igodo ivie du ugaga SSVC iya a president iya a vice iya a vice iya a president iya a senate president iya me Oba ni ati king ogie iya me the highest ogie in Nigeria Fulani ga gboma wa o make no hia si abi because ESP no re Edo State enioge Mohammed Yusuf no eke ono tian gbele as many ni hia gbele se eyan meti persecute otion arie ran rotedo tu rami ovie Fulani opa kekan we ran despite when you are gbele man se despite ave mi dan ni e wo se Nigeria uga je Nigeria manire America manire Italy manire France manire Germany manire Holland travel the ticket igale Nigeria we na tu rami to ave Nigeria legaye Nigeria ya tu rami ovie Fulani kekan but agata we Nigeria is the #1 deadliest place to live in the world because of Imaniviedo Imanivia most deadliest na imaginary toy in Nigeria because of Ivie Fulani na no inya pa juwo aja Maniviedo rajote noti manira Abuja imayare towa manire Kaduna imare towa we business kenyana we business but ori yen je very oni ugwo ha enya ya stage and here we say you want your mama ka bo we dema inya na do use opportunity ya do agbele ma do ateke ekeno emiogi Maniviedo excuse me inya na do ateke inya na do ami mai ederi oni vote the model local government ni ati Obage aru 90 ebe Fulani gbe ITV news ina mi ona mi na ya ninye ona mi ni IPOB mu ne me ya ari ni Nnamdi Kanu mu ne me ya ari emi ni mami even with Nigerian news na hina mani bumari ati yo ima wa take awu ni ni Fulani gbele onodo aye me no dey normal ni ma o ma dey normal wa bege we awu pa ke kan ga wu o ma ne wi ke kan ga wu we bo wa dey we ma na ri ati ye so person was killed in Ireland, in Norway, in this one ma yari ati what about e ma ri ma ni agbele wo wa we na yikia de ma he ya ri ati yo iyi mi ameje ni malaho wo uma ni di no love ma ro pa ke gbinigbina na igbinigbina na igbinima no ari vie Fulani ya invite etinya ve Senegal ve Mali nya invite ya rene ni ando ni gunya ho dede gbe wa ya mi video e bandit e video ma ni mu no sisi ni gbale to ni we mi eja fefefe dede gbe e wa ya mi o and e video shop iyanzele arabi iyanzele go ni iyanzele video shop a reality no Boko Haram Irevani for the past how many years before Fulani years make do dey bayan before bandit ke do dey bayan wa dey we iyan subdue the whole of the politicians in there emane etigi gwena na o mani nebote the people as a mani ma eviedo mani ma ni common people ma pa etingiri yan bo etingiri oba bo etingiri politician bo etingiri governor bo etingiri senator bo etingiri aroparopa bo a power now belongs to the people wagala wo na use a population rima as the people na use one voice or rima as the people ni ma ya gbina ye ekeni ma ya gbina ji and mind you everyone is a nice so ni de ignorance as the ignorance enable to ignorance oye ama ese emani ma ese ni ti ni bi gbori ogiyan ni yan ima gbina ye edo kingdom ego baro nu gba yan gbina edo kingdom na kana dey successful the only way we yan gbina edo kingdom we maka gbina ya free egbima ye bani ne ni ma do ame e Biafra ege nu we kana do ame edo kingdom ke resources ya fe no roto edo ma ya ni sms ma live in a good society ma mo pa ma me ya they might do pay tax get a federal government do you na a Monaco ye France manire France in Europe erio edo kingdom ohiaraje oto Biafra maga mudia we are going to fight for edo kingdom why manibu ma ogbeni makesha edo kingdom na only my meti eladia we I want to fight for edo kingdom only my meti emwe kodao none onwaro paro no meti emwe kodao wagala owowo manivie do wagala owowo na rie tin by tin na rie eho by eho na rie iyo by iyo na rie igo kemi ya fefefe ni ma me ni ma ya gbina ni ma ya free egbima yo ye a bondage na ni maje na oppression na ni maje na iyama emi no re sunu da ma iyama care ensa si vedere o ma bege inya gwe mi ni awe ina ye media mu no oge ya gbo ya mu no oge ni egbe e ma ya na lawa mana pa kameti we because inya tai we the children be no one time where children of God suffer violence and a violent only the violent one or take it by force obima giye di maga free o di magi free o obima or emi ya fefefe or giye osalobua o kan dey by manivie do kason kavan kowie ima hian meti me ehoi opa ni ma meti ya restore eke ni ma hian tie o wara kwe no hian fu my gbere were zebe emanivie do e Biafra salobua dey by man ise so oni ikere ya ge unge emanivie sanve na esanve do opa ma yahin esanve obo opa ma yahin esanve igbo opa ma yahin esanve ijo opa ma yahin ma ya fefefe opa ma hin ego pa egero na he ya segregate gbima na he ya gbima we esan edo opa e ma yahin o meti ga ma emi ni no sunu wege no gbera ni ya ga ma ya mu a species ma ya fefefe e mighty ma ni generational ni ese e ma ni anima ese o ma ni wa ese ni dey educated ni emi a manipulation ni manipulate ni ma ya gbema ma re ma na ni ma ya do change a narrative emi ni ate narrative we edo o e fiemi werie ma he ya fie emi ya fefefe ni ya wu ma he ya fie werie no do ha emi no ma angima mani vie san ivo he san oje ivo he san oje inye ni memure ose muana oso damena ke egwena didi age oni broadcasting i egwena egweje wena goy inye ni memure ose muana o inye a redemption inye freedom memure ose muana and the aim so over different vemine ivi IPOB under leadership Mazina the Kanu aim so over different le enime meta ose muana eme no bun akate eme no bun ege no gbera maka atake gbe ege no gbera akate gbe ilini ege no gbera but in 2021 ni onu pe na ni magije nanya upo ni mare mwe e hovi roro osema ikugbe ni mare hon ohio no da benefit ma aho wagago enya emiro paro ro to in Nigeria we ni no benefit ma obvious sign that abo ayi president obvious sign that abo ayi emi so if yes savana vibe sare ni arrive Italy ni arrive Germany ni arrive Spain and that abo explore we ga go enya ebe nu we mego seye vi Italy vi Spain oto eguweje we na viawu biaja we na viawu romi we na vibe ekpoma ugwa nu we bo opajo si mo sebe ni ugede nu we lasu wa no se obe mo se mo se egerebe jaga hospital rivo mi so rivo abo sinemi na ivigbo besio ivigbo sio oni mi freedom ni matana nia enu were like ori asoso oba ni dinu were like una di Kanu oba ni dinu were like ivigbo ebe so ni me na se ni ivigbo kakabo eni ivigbo ono kakabo re ni we oti Nigeria ni egima egenya every dan ehin genya ara mi nemi so idama but ugado gele do mu pare gele gene mo nanya I did a problem in Osemao because we are so in Nigeria nya when Igbo Fulani when Yoruba Fulani when Jo Fulani when Bini Fulani if when Buni Esme when Igbo Esme no riveni Esme oil actually Fulani Esme everyone Igbo level I want to room Igbo Esme ni Yoruba Esme ni everyone Igbo level I want oto ekpoma acho Fulani esme eboni do ekere wote esan acho Fulani esme eme no siane na we mini elunya zevenia kalu in 1967 na re mi confusion na re mi egenya mani wiesa mabari obo mani wiesa Biafra mabari obo ba ono hioni in 1967 ni mare de bajuku ho are ona we lunanya uga go eke atio Ikwara state icon kaini emi agiriwe ni oto Yoruba aemia ebe ayo we ni atie oba but ebe na gita na nia ebe agi ma we ni nia o atie emia kere arevade ene oba ni vatie onoje egede do fio were e ma na atio sultani atio emia e ma na atio ema atio basi omeni obebe ni ave muni o jena sai ma da kyo bo wakara ni ma da age nebo na ugagonya I president I army I senate president I mo je no je ojereve fe no rivoti Nigeria ohonya ni ibe Fulani esmen na gbelewo awotesan madam justice because inspector no rive uromi eni no so Mohammed Yusuf no eni no so eba na Mohammed Yusuf for example but allegedly no so ibi Fulani one oga we mi so no va keke no eluwe ni ari osivore ari ori abebe no that dey lawyer ari ofio mi ba ga won han wowo na go bokugbe na re konkyo ono kyo na no rivoto na nia na da miege e mani yesa ma we do dey free ma do live agbon keke ni ma live oba mi ni ge ma mo ari America ma ari Africa akedo live agbon me eje oto esan verse opono se ni ma na explore emi so ni ma da as in Biafra i dey restore ifo ma do ame Asian nation ni ma do print ma do produce moto ma produce phone ma produce speaker ma me oye ma fe ko alo ma me batio even ma fe ka ri vino se ma me gai ma fe ka ri gai ma me batio inya ma fe ka ri inya no se ma gather mi fe ma fe ko do pay tax to federal government iri ale lu ove ege development je voter gboye reve fe iri alu obi China iri alu obi Indonesia iri alu obi Russia iri alu obi America iri alu obi France ni meje nanya ma da sabo ni ogbo wa karanya ni ma wo so mi ro bo ni a particular ewo eso ni ahun no na mana alu video iri Fulani na na tio ikokara agogon ge mani vie sama Mario boba no na agogoge okay ma di poison econo sai ma poison econo sai I hate Igbo na ona ni tayona sai I hate I for that I say my conquer I fe my car idio my car because Bible tie or the children of God suffer violence or a violent no a violent I read the freedom of say a will be mother the violent they come back and they will neither retrieve a beonelu my mother corner the referendum him either the referendum him I have belima better than belima also mana tanya nyage mani yes amadi lue be on hekeni malu ni ma support Eastern ESN natural Eastern Security nanya ibi gbo pa da protect mani Eastern region or da protect ba go enya atima old Eastern region bezana na tema old Eastern region ebe mi old Western region abebe mi no old Northern region I me so makpa na afi werie or any no se makpa afi werie na me genya I do refer as old Eastern region one in my so my debo ata ma my sat my Niger Delta ma ona bezera na me ge makpa agave oti Nigeria bezega na me ge ero no sai erebe carry Brittany carry Alatina sai bezena na me ge makpa ero logun ya laregbe ewo ne ke iberive ni bezena na me ge makpa ri ti oisan Edo this one Urobo Isoko Ijo bezena na me ge makpa ri ga bezena na me ge ewo ne ke in not when be even not ita even not na te Fulani because every kokai via osa vote no we better ayenya landmark 70% a landmark in Nigeria ayenya o mini genya 25% no kere ge man bi vi Yoruba mari nya 25% no kere but u ga go eri okeke noje okeke nyage ni ma ire ame equality ma nda se bo ame equality under Nigeria because take in Nigeria as a osaifo father osayana te Osuma Danfodio oyege nya in Nigeria a company osaye or no they everyone in Nigeria in Nigeria get a subject in osaye mahin but your subject at your ovien get ovien mahin mare ni don win anaye ebe didita ema dalu ege asenare do gbelima epa emi so da sunu madam justice mani we sawaga nwe adodo ege ma ho na o emi no sunu 1967 mama na le gbe by o emi Biafra wa go sunu we gena uga go enya iri gbonya ni na o eni Biafra iri gbonya ewo ni oria no mo ni eneni nare in 1914 I created Nigeria before in Nigeria I created Nigeria maka ewo ni iri Biafra maka hin so onye nini ena doje ya egijia ola no kikeke do mu eneni nare ate ijo ona vare na nya mara mi Biafra mara da ame national sema ola no da mi glory eni na in Biafra na ate ijo ona vare baga won agogo I mi Igbo Fulani we na Igbo esme we Nigeria I mi evo Bini esme we Nigeria evo na mi Nigeria ni gbenemoa I Fulani I Boko Haram, I bandits, I me so emi rebe jan. Ba ga won do ba ga deceiving man. Even the man le say ne talo. Ba zaibo. Ba gi mani wen no rivo ba ga kwe ekokugbe, akwe wan ekugbe. Ni ma re I restore, ni ma re I home egima datio o wa kwe. Mani bonya ma o fe na ga gbadu gi ma shuwa. Wa suwanya ekinapie. Kidnapping, there's every possibility get the bear. A police even va de do gwanuwe because a police even when I ne kidnappers. I kidnappers I mi reve jan. Baga nwe dodo, baga ko fo kugbe, na ko obo kugbe, na le lo onemi na onofio na no riwoto na da mere nya aho madi me I society no me, uwa no me, ima da zivi mambo. Because erima eva na ignore Biafra struggle ma se diavinia ni ebo wolf de pano upa o arrivo ugede no me o arrivo e am a good school e am a good hospital mi rebe jamaja o am egeni na nya mi se yebe onyamutu emi rebe yamutu mega sabo ko bakara ni ma wage ebe ne mi rebe re diavi nyama madi do everything possible na mi egenya mare we mare fight for ni freedom na ni mare free as a evie ebonima evie san ni mare ame community no me ni mada live as a evie san osano bla no re pa e manivie san so bla no re pa ma wo se wu opa o se o dame kebo o se mo awese me didi no ba ibe ni ori no like no re call odi we dey about call come no like no ya call no call ko wo o like o wo contribute ye ekwakwa taijobi ala taro o wo na o call bi yo ala wo ni opinion aye o gene bi yo ko wa ko yo bi. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let me put the number there. Calling if you be Esan Biafran, Bini Biafran, Urobo Biafran, calling. The number is there on WhatsApp on direct number. Even if it's only 2 people just watching, I don't care but I'm going to continue in what I'm doing. I'm going to continue. Calling, if you are there, calling. Go wait for 20 minutes to call in. Let me play music. Thank you all very much. You are all very wonderful, great people. The Edo people are very great people. Some people are very great people. Support ESN. Support ESN, please. They need our support. Please support them. ESN is here to stay. Support it. Agima support ESN. I mean, going in my day where as in any at all. In my lady army, when you may support ESN. In a rewarding and do yak been agreement. Wagala will not support ESN. I support ESN. While America, which I support ESN. ESN is security, Eastern Security Network. Why just support it? Organize your work with your be calling. What say your? What call your? Why don't give a contribution? Why your? What call you? Also, damn why don't give a contribution of seva? One or alimentary the fair. What call you? Cure. So no ban it, Baba. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you very much for your support. Calling. Láti ẹrẹ kí ọ̀rẹ́ o, iye sàn. Láti ẹrẹ o, iye tó. Iye ògbò wáyà dẹ́gbẹ́jà láti ẹrẹ kí ọ̀rẹ́. I don't give a contribution on Shabbat. The number is there. Calling. Thank you. Mazi Lofa. Thank you. Brother Ibi, thank you.
What's happening?
We are waiting for their call. Go wait, though. More than even this, I'm not going to wait. 20 minutes now, okay, wait. 20 minutes. Calling. Watire. Edero. No one benefit on a man. Watire. The number we can save your Thank you. Also, Kenneth. Thank you. Okay, sorry. I need to call you so that you pronounce and give me. Thank you. Godwin. Thank you, Sister Mercy. Johnson Coco. Thank you. Okay. Hello.
Hello, my sister, Omote Biafra.
Good evening.
Good evening, my dear. I don't know what is happening. Your broadcast today is a little bit low. Maybe it's from the microphone.
Yes. Maybe it's the microphone.
Yeah.
And I was not shouting too.
Yeah, my dear, and I want to commend you for all your effort. This is my first calling anyway. I'm one of your followers,
Yes.
in this struggle. I'm calling from Austria. My name is Maaze Aka.
Okay.
My dear, I really want to commend you.
Thank
And
you.
I want to thank God for making it possible that all of us have seen this beautiful year that Chukwu Kabiama has made. And all of us will rejoice and be glad in it
You
for the
see?
good thing Almighty Chukwu is going to do for us this year. My dear, you see this struggle we are in. It's only those who really are in spirit to understand exactly what we are in. Some people are inside this struggle with carnal mind, carnal body.
Yes,
I mean, they're just so carnally thinking that Biafra is something that when you just wake up in the morning, the next day you see Biafra. Somebody have to work for it. Spiritually and physically, we have to try the best we could to make sure we keep on fighting because our enemies are numerous. We have a lot of enemies who is fighting very strong to make sure that this Biafra we are looking for that will not come to to actualize. But the truth is that the Bible said, "Who is that man that said it will come to pass when Chukwu Kabiama has not commanded it?" So all the plans of the enemy or all their efforts that they are putting to make sure to derail what we are doing, they are just working in vain.
Yes, Maz.
They are just working in vain.
Yes, sir.
Because at the end of the day, what Chukwu Kabiama says is what is going to happen.
Yes.
Okay, just look. Let me use this pandemic that is rolling all over the world, this coronavirus that is roving all over the world. Let me use it as an example. Those who we are trying to manufacture these things, we are thinking that their reason is to maybe to come to Africa to depopulate Africa. But today, what is happening? God said no. Chukwu said no. You will think as a human being, but me, because if this thing went to Africa the way they thought, by now it will be counting millions in Africa. But look at how God has turned everything upside down. It's like what our leader used to say. He said, "Oh, the hand where they say carry juju come, don't enter their mouth back." So anybody who is really thinking that Biafra will not come is making a very big
Biafra
mistake.
will come, Mazi. Biafra will come. Why won't Biafra come?
I'm telling you honestly speaking, the person is joking.
Biafra
And
will come.
as long as our leader have said it that this year is a year of hunting the saboteurs. My dear, I tell you that these people are in almighty mess. They are in trouble.
Thank you,
So
Mazi.
there is still a chance for them to repent, to begin to do the needful. Or
Yes.
else, what they are going to see this year is going to be horrible. I tell you this case. Because without we the Biafrans to do away all these saboteurs that is troubling us, I tell you, this Biafra we are looking for, we will still hang. It's like when those people that used to go and the fishermen, if you want to catch a fish,
Moses.
you have to put something in that hook,
Yes.
so that when the fish come want to take that whatsoever that is there, it will hook.
Yes.
Then the fish will want to escape. The hook will stay there. Then you catch the fish. This is
Yes.
exactly what we are going to do this for this year.
Yes.
Our hook is on their neck already. It's just for us to catch them and cut off their head.
Yes.
We really need to deal with these people. Really, if we can be able, if one of them falls, you will see the rest will take off.
Yes.
If one of them fall now, after saying this thing, the rest of them, I swear to God, you see all of them run away.
Yes.
Because as you see these people, they like life. What if they see them?
That's what I'm telling
They
them
don't
now.
want to die until they see them all. They don't want to die.
Mazi, thank
So
you.
my sister, keep on doing the good work. We
Thank
are
you.
behind you. Keep on doing the needful.
Thank
We are
you.
behind you. We are all of us with you there for them, my dear.
Thank you, Ise.
Have a nice evening.
You too. Bye. This program Thank our Mazi for calling in. Thank our Mazi for calling in. We appreciate at least it make the place warm some more. But this program is for Urobo, Biafran, Isoko, Biafran, Ijo, Biafran, Esan, Biafran. Only Esan or Bini or Urobo should call in. And if they don't call in today, we are going to continue the program. I don't care how many years it took, how many days or weeks it will take them to realize and start to call in. We are going to hold this program just only for these 3 people. And people, please bear with us. Even if it's just 2 people, those of us who would like to stay with us, you can stay with us to see how the program will go. But we want only their call. If you go take them 3 weeks, after 3 weeks, we will not run this program for them to know, so they need to come. We'll wait. We are not in a hurry. What they think? We say maybe we should take the program to every week, every weekend. Maybe it go day more okay like that, because this one are weekly days. Majority of them they feel they go work. So maybe we go put them for every Friday or Saturday. Then I will do our normal broadcast on. I will look for another day when we do our normal broadcast, so we can put this one for weekend. See, they do this one every Friday evening. Every Friday evening, then we're going to do our normal broadcast on Saturday evening. Then we call in. They don't have choice. Hello. Good evening. Hello. Onyovo.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Hello, my sister.
Good evening.
Good evening, my sister. May God bless you.
He said.
God quiet your mouth, please.
He said.
Talk to my people.
Yes.
Hello. May God bless you. Good evening. All happy.
Biafra, we hate thee. Biafra, we hate thee.
Yes. Yes. I'm a Edo woman.
Yes.
That are based in Germany.
Oh, Obogian sister.
What I want to say,
Yeah.
any Edo person who never still wake up at this moment, are they born? They no fit tell me say they no dey see wetin dey go on.
Yes.
I no support una the can una turn go strike them. Na me queen Ebo say na you talk am. I live in Germany, and I was brought up in Edo State. Yes. Anybody from Edo who not support una the can, we are tired of raping our mother.
Yes.
We are tired of raping our brothers. We are tired of raping our sisters. We are tired of behaving us. We are tired of that. And I'm tired of those stupid boys that call themselves artists. Motherfucker people. They don't know what they want at this moment. They are still sleeping.
Yes.
Make them that strike all of them. The courses in Edo State, make them that strike all of them. All their parents, because they don't know what to give their children. They don't know the kind of food to give their children, so that they can able to plan to take care of their children.
Yes.
My son can never be like me. He can never suffer like me.
No.
And anyone then who are suffering, who don't believe whatever my Unadikano, who don't believe my Redeemer Father Unadikano is saying, you are in a pit that you can never see nobody who will rescue you. I'm a dog child. I'm a dog daughter. I'm a Biafra daughter.
Yes.
Blood of Biafra flowing with me.
Yes,
as I'm speaking right now, I'm my mouth.
Yeah.
My blood is so hot. My blood is so hot for Benin people. The way I'm seeing them, they full social media. They don't know what to do with their social media. I'm so sorry for them. I'm so sorry for them. A man, Unadikano, that said that all the blessing you guys are getting in diaspora, he wants all these things to be flowing in Nigeria. We have the resources. And they are telling us that that man is a forerunner. Any man that call that name, that call that man before one, thunder will stretch you and stretch your generation.
Yes, sir.
Motherfucker people, idiot people. Unadikano have give birth to lion and tiger.
Yeah.
That who can fight for Biafra.
Yes.
Nobody and no man can stand in our way for Biafra not to come.
Yes, sir.
Whether Oba you call yourself, whether you king you call yourself, whether president you call yourself, whether governor you call yourself,
Traditional
you guys are not
rulers.
important. You cannot stand on our way.
Yes.
We are moving. A moving train, nobody can stand in front of moving train except those who want to die. We will crush you.
I see.
Motherfucker people, what is their problem?
Very
Wọ́n lọ yàn yìí, dédé gbéná mú yàn náà yìí.
Gbé wa wọ̀ mẹ́.
Yàn wọ ara.
Mẹ́
Then,
tẹ́tí
you know,
yẹn pa ọ́ my sister. Ìrí yẹn lọ wá súnmù náà yẹn wá fi.
Yàn wọ ara. Are they blind? Benin people, are you guys blind? What is going on? You
Yes.
cannot see?
Very terrible. Very terrible.
Jesus, I'm tired of this land. Especially these Edo people of 18. I'm tired of them.
Some of them.
Instead of you
they
to
are
gather
wicked.
up to save your land, to save life, to save the property. As Nanda Kanu, Papa Nadi Kanu, the Messiah second, give you order. You cannot do it. All you can do, this one, Beret, they will punish all of you now. All the courts in Edo State, God will strike all of you dead. Wà á gbẹ́ o, wà á lọ́ọ̀rì àdìjì, àbí ibi aṣáwó, àbí ibi òǹdàn. Ìlú wa, yẹn nà nùwé jẹ́ social media. They open their social for social media. I'm not a chain. I'm not a shame. Now they craze. Madness enter on our head. Now they cut. Now do a shower again. Which business, which company will now open? No, not children they work. This will not swear for on our head. How many business will now open? Make them they work. So that make them they do a shower. Men will not cause kill all of you now. Don't strike all of you now. My sister, I'm so sorry
Thank
to
you.
be annoyed this way.
Oh, I
This is how I
understand.
know that I can speak to them so that they can understand.
No, sis,
Because they don't understand when you say quiet. They don't understand.
People, as I'm chatting now, they still don't understand.
They will understand. It's very painful, sis. It's very painful.
Yes, I'm so sorry, my sister. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for
No,
my
you
Biafra.
have,
I'm talking
no,
like
no,
this.
no, you don't have to be sorry. You don't have to be sorry, sis. You don't have to be sorry. You don't have to be sorry at all.
Yes, because the way I see things is like they have eyes they cannot see. They have eyes they cannot see. They cannot see what we Biafra children we are seeing. It's very painful. I don't know how I can say it to them. I don't know how I can explain it to them. But all my family, the blood of Biafra is flowing in them.
Yes.
24 hours. That's yes, my all of family, even the babies. When you
Yes.
just come there now, they'll tell you I'm a Biafra.
Yes, they are greeting you. Commenters are thanking you for your contribution. Yes.
Yes, because
They
I
appreciate.
know what is good for me. I
Yes.
have children in Europe. They give them money. They go a better school. They go then 7 years, 6 years old. They have a novel. Under 2 days, they will finish that novel.
Yes.
Under 2 days, a novel. Then we read it and finish with it. 6 years, 7 years, 8 years that I have here. In Nigeria, some of them they are not going to school. That is what my Messiah second said he don't want. He wants everybody to be equal. I'm tired for my those states. They don't understand what this man is explaining to them. Oh, Jesus. I don't know consult. Who consult this course?
We will continue to the talk. Maga guya gwa ni ya make na yore.
This is what we have to do. This is what this man is saying. Anyhow we say it, he say it with annoyance, he say it with cause. Just say the right one. Just listen. Forget the annoyance the way he's saying it. And he's saying the right thing because he's saying it quiet, you guys don't listen. So you need to do it with hammer on our head so that you guys will understand what he's saying.
Yeah, you're right.
Jesus. Yes. You have to say it with hammer. They just have the hammer on our head so that it will enter on our head good. Jesus Christ. Yes.
Yeah,
That is how they can And look at the instant security that is big now. Everybody is not scared anymore. They are not happy about that. You have to support. Is it by money? Is it by making things okay? Make sure the one you can do it. And let's get our freedom.
Yes.
And let's get our freedom. You know how many people like to go home this year? They are afraid of
They
kidnapping.
couldn't go
They
home.
are afraid.
They couldn't
Do
go
you know
home.
that?
They couldn't go home. They couldn't go home.
With my
Everywhere is
friends in
under
Africa, my
siege.
children insisting they want to go to Africa. Do you know that I cannot take them to Africa?
Yeah.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid not to take them there.
It's terrible.
I'm
It's
afraid.
terrible. It's terrible.
I'm afraid. How much? 7,000 sisters, 8,000.
Mostoyore. Yeah, Mostoyore.
Yeah, when you have your Fulani, how does he learn how to shoot? Maybe when you have your Fulani, how does he learn how to shoot gun? The way they do it for Libya. They'll do, they make them not wake up. Make them blind there. Make them blind. Fulani go do it the way they do it for our people that they bring, they come and they shoot them. That's what they go do, they make them not wake up. Make them not wake up. Make them they fool yourself there. Make them they fool yourself there. Make them they fool yourself. As they say they don't know what they are doing. Blind people. Because they kill themselves. People go stand, wear army soldier. And they say no, we need to defend our land. Then they kill themselves like chicken. Now they craze. And food to eat. After you finish them, food to eat is not there your table. You are mad people. School are not go.
Thank you, sis.
Now God says go come school now. Now they can't say more than come. They ain't giving them freedom. Now they say that 419. Now they say they shout too much. Now they say they insult. We go continue. It don't give birth to millions of children, thousands of children. We will continue the insult to nationality.
Yes, so.
Now they grace. Mad people everywhere. Mad people everywhere. May school people, any of IPOB, any of Biafra, may they try and fall any of them like before. We go kill all of you now. We are ready. We are not afraid of you now. We kill all of you now. All the kings, whatever king you call yourself, whatever other you call it, we slaughter all of you. They will punish all of you now. Thunder strike all of you now. If now your children, then they fall. If now your wife, then they fall. You will do something about it. Because you know they reach your tongue. That's why you do not talk anything about it. But this time around, we will not tolerate that shit from you guys. Motherfucker people. We cannot do that anymore. Ashawo, the ladies, the women in Edo State, they are tired of Ashawo. They cannot do that anymore. They will punish all of you now. Now, don't know the pace when they go through. When our children, they go through. The children will stand and tell you now. Shoot you now, come kill you now. Now don't see Fulani people who don't work for Fulani who go for, then they kill them, they don't use them for their satisfaction. Then they kill all of them. And they praise mad people.
Thank you.
They talk on a good 1 year.
Thank you, Mama. Biafra will hear thee. Biafra will hear thee.
Now they can't know my Messiah second. Wherever you stand at this moment, you are giving birth to children that will be like you. That will ready to war with you in money, in anything, in life, in anything. We are ready. Whatever you people want to do, they should do it. We are waiting for them. They should come to our land. You said it already. You said they will come. We will kill all of them. They will die in our land. And not be lie. As you said, as you declare it, I trust you. Whatever word you said, it come to pass.
Yes.
They are afraid of you. They are afraid of you. We know. We, your children, they are afraid of you. We want you to be declared them dead. Let all of them dead. We want them like that. They know that man, they that meet where you they go. Let me tell you, my name is Queen Nebose. Look for me in the internet or whatever. I'm not afraid of you. If you see who they talk, you will know that I'm not afraid of. My papa said we have already dead. If you are coming to kill us, apart from Biafra will resurrect us as a human. When Biafra don't come, we are already there. We are in spirit. Let me tell you, Shemofo, whatever you know for yourself, whatever you that betrayed your family, do that look your family that they are not important to you. Listen to me. The day you go to that meeting, you go to that Zoom, you will never return back. Go and mark today's date. Today is on the 5th of February to 2021. You will never come back. You bite the finger that you will die. Shemofo, you will die. You will die, Shemofo. Go and mark today's date. I'm the one that say it. Daughter of Biafra. I'm the one that declare you. Nobody will kill you. The day you sign that paper and you take that money,
no space to spread down. No space. Don't worry, everything will be fine very soon, okay? Just patient.
You will never eat that money. They will punish you. Thunder strike you, Shemofo.
He said,
Who is you?
He said,
when my father don't make a human, now you want to tell my father he doesn't know what he's doing. In your presence, you know how much they bribe that man. The man refused. How much they want to give? How much they want to give you? That you are betraying yourself for. You think you are betraying my father at the Kanu? You are betraying yourself. They don't trust you. They don't trust you. They want to get you and slice you. Don't worry, go there. If you love yourself, don't go that meeting. If you love yourself, don't go that meeting. If you go that meeting, the
I
moment
no go
you
fit
sign that
open
paper,
am now. The place no go contain, eh? Don't worry, everything will be okay very soon. Okay, Valentina.
may God bless you.
He said,
All right, yeah.
"Thank you, my blood.
Take care, my darling.
Thank you
God
so
bless
much. Yes, yes. Wonderful contribution from our wonderful sister. Even if now only this corner I received today, our do Biafran Benin to be precise. Now she calling so Igodomi Godo Idu Biafra na she calling so, and we receive another call from another Biafran. If not only this one that we fit do today, we thank God Almighty. We thank Chukokika Biama Ogeno Lise. I look forward to receive more calls from these people. No be to dey follow saga o. Nakelele saga. Mami mi ro pabo. O ge 3 years o wa ye na me wa gbe mi social media na saga. Iye do me wa mi. Saga. Emi ro pamala dia wa my sister, emi ro pamala dia wa my brother. Ama when I enjoy, but emi freedom of dey very important. Ah, ima wa ma o yo seseme se. Ima wa ma o ye mi freedom ma seseme se. My get me up distracting man for this time. We don't by distracting me. Ma o yo. Ima when wa ge saga, ima when wa women wa here, but me freedom man na wa get a side of pawe horima. Because that is the only option left for us. Unless we want we can kere. A 4 flat no boy you wa ma serve. 2 flat no boy you wa ma serve my brother. Jere ave man wa ko pa wa re ni wu yeze. When you enjoy life we we no jenana. No money boom, man. You might enjoy life in Macacabo already, honey. Wagala go, Wagama be my yeme, a Biafrana, you make enough free because option we get up. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. And I appreciate Sister Ebose for this wonderful contribution. She just completed the broadcast for me, so there is no need for me to talk more. I look forward to see you now again. Any day, the next day when I will finally schedule for this program, I think we will need to come out for Tuesday so that we put for weekend where they go day as because they'll be like some of them be like all those cars when they use popo they beat popo. So we'll continue doing it step by step and then we'll get there. Thank you very much. I love you all so much. Love you all so much. Love my Do Biafran, my Benin Biafran, my Esan Biafran, my Robo Biafran. I love Una so much. I'll dedicate one day only for Una. Nobody, nothing else. Only for Una. Thank you very much. I love you all. See you now some other time. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Thank you.